Hey everyone, want your content to rank higher on Google? With Copy AI, you can quickly create SEO optimized blog posts, product descriptions, and web copy in just few clicks. Let's get started. First, log into your Copy AI account. Then here in the dashboard, click plus create new and select chat or workflow. Then if using chat, click chat and type a detailed SEO prompt. You need to be clear about your idea and be specific, like this example. Write blog post about AI tools for small businesses. Then you can clearly describe what specific target that you like. Then if you're using a workflow, search for SEO blog post or SEO content generator template. Then fill in your topic, keywords, and tone and run the workflow to generate your content. Then here you can now review and tweak for accuracy, then publish. And that's it. With Copy AI, SEO content creation is faster, easier, and ready to rank. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.